welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlie Unique if you don't know. So today I'll just be doing a quick video on how I dyed this hair and then how I diffuse it to get it to stay like this. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you guys keep on watching. I am so obsessed with the way this hair looks just with me finishing the wig. Like, there's nothing, I didn't do nothing to the hair. This is the natural state, but I'm just showing you guys the things that I'll be using to bleach this hair. So I'm parting sections the way I want to part them, and I'm just going to slap this bleach on there and then work its way up with my hands. Life was getting a little crazy here because my gloves was already drenched with this bleach, and every time I went to go part more hair, it just got on top, so the top of my hair started to bleach already, when that was never the plan, but you know. So I'm just going to continue just to put this all throughout my hair until I have in every single place that I personally wanted. And this stuff is literally all over my face, all over my clothes. I have protection with this gloves and towel, but it still seems to get everywhere. I'm just a clumsy person. So this is the, look at me just moving around that wig. So this is the final product. This is with it just being washed with shampoo and conditioner in its natural wet state. Because I bleached this hair and it's curly, it is going to be a little bit on the dry side, so I try to just put this spray oil that I am obsessed with all over my hair, as well as this wet and wavy product that I use it just to keep the texture of the hair that it already is. In this video I did decide to diffuse my hair. I've never done it before, but because of the time, I just wanted to see how it will look so it can dry faster as well. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys would like to know exactly where this hair came from, you guys like for me to do like an update on how this hair is holding up after me bleach it, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you guys tell me what other videos you'll like me to do. Bye.